What's up, y'all? FarmerQ here, and on today we got another one, but we got a special one for y'all. We're going to show y'all how to properly kill weeds on a spot treatment basis with vinegar and dish soap, but not just any vinegar. We're going to be using 45% industrial strength vinegar, but the way we're going to use this stuff, we're going to cut it down just a little bit. We're going to make some horticultural solution just to get rid of those weeds. We're going to show y'all in slow motion but fast motion how we get this thing done. So without further ado, let's get after it. So here we have some Bell Chemical 45% strength vinegar. It's industrial strength and it's literally 9 times stronger than what you'd get from the store for using for cooking. Yeah, you want to wear a mask with this stuff. So yeah, it's some great stuff. It gets the job done. And next up we have some Jadam Wetting Agent. This is our go-to for a natural surfactant and an emulsifier. So it's just canola oil, filtered water. That's pretty much it. Potassium hydroxide as well. But that's what we're working with on today. So first off, we're going to start off with our Jadam Wetting Agent. We're going to use about 7.5 milliliters worth of the Jadam Wetting Agent. Realistically, we're only going to use about 5 milliliters, but we're going to have some left over in the cup. Secondly, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of pink Himalayan salt. It doesn't really matter what kind of salt you add. Just add some salt. 1 tablespoon for 2 cups worth of this solution. Next up, we got our 45% concentrated strength vinegar. We're going to add 1 cup worth of that. We're going to be adding it to our sprayer there, which is already mixed up, but I just wanted to show y'all the ingredients that we'll be using. We also added 1 cup of water to the overall mixture as well. All right, y'all, so we got our mixture all mixed up and everything. We got our spray bottle prepared right here. And we're going to take this mixture we got right here, and we're going to go ahead and spray it on the plants, and we're going to set y'all up to see the effects of what's going to go down. So let's go ahead and see what happens. So here we have some general nutsedge plants, and boy are they plenty. But we got a few spots that we want to try this spray out on and see about how well it works, and we're going to go ahead and give it a shot. So let's go ahead and give it a quick spray. We don't need much. We're going to give it a nice good coat. You can smell it. Just gonna go through the whole bed here. I'm gonna spray. I'm gonna spot spray every single nutsedge plant with vinegar here. With the vinegar mixture we have here. Whew. It has a smell to it. Got a little bit more here to spray. So here we are on the next day. And as you can see, we got flies out here for us, but the grass is not looking too happy, and you can kind of see the brown that we got going on, going through the whole thing. Even up here on the beds, everywhere that solution touched, gone. Completely gone. Like I said, where it touched the bean, it got it out of the way too. Didn't even mean for that to happen, but I should move it out of the way, but I'll trim it back. Didn't get the whole plant or anything. So yeah, good results with the solution. So I wanted to come back and show y'all 24 hours later. I mean, some of the grass still has some green on it because you probably missed the application on a surface level like these guys right here. We can come back and always spray again. But yeah, that's amazing. And if we're accurate about it, as y'all can see, plants like this will be just safe. But if you're not accurate about it, you'll deal with something like that. Even here, there's new growth on the vine, or new growth on the stem, but we're gonna cut that one off. So just take a look real quick. Even on the surrounding areas where I sprayed on the edge of the beds, we got really good results. Really good results. Come over here and look. Boom. So we'll do this about once every 2 weeks to any new weeds that come up, or we'll just pull them if we have too much crowding in the beds. If we get our crops in, we want to make sure that we don't hurt any of our crops. So yeah, I'd say that went pretty well. All right, fam, so we got a really good representation of what that weed killer that we mixed up can really do. I'm just really excited for the opportunities that we're about to have with this weed killer in spot instances. If we want to get rid of a whole area, if we want to just really go with that approach, this is a really effective solution for that. So I can highly anticipate using something like this for clearing a general area. Like if I wanted to actually establish a new area for a garden and I wanted to make sure that there were no weeds in the general spot, I could really focus on using this biodegradable natural solution and just really have confidence in it. So y'all know what that means. That's FarmerQ out.